Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedworks here, coming to you today with another new and exciting product. Today we've got our new Hypershift clutch weight for the Polaris XP Pro Turbo models. A lot of really cool features on these weights that we're going to get into here into detail, showing you how the adjustability and everything works. And there's adjustability in two different spots. First and foremost, the weights come anywhere from 76 to 84 gram as a base weight, and you can add up to 10 grams of weight. So our weight range is basically 76 to 94 grams. First question most guys are going to have, wait a minute, that doesn't sound right. The machine comes stock with 111 gram weights. That's because our weight acts heavier. It's more efficient, more effective. And when we run that lighter weight, the machine, it revs quicker, it has more throttle response. It's a more powerful, funner feeling machine when you can run a lighter weight and have the same effectiveness as, say, a heavier weight. So that's just like on our stage 2 tune, with a conventional weight like the stock weight, we run like 116 grams. With these weights we'd run 82. So you hear guys all the time talking about lighter rotating weight, this, that, and everything. This is a simple, easy way to achieve that, and have adjustability in your weights and stuff at the same time. So getting a little more detailed on the weight now, guys are gonna, they hear the adjustability part, guys get scared. What do I do? How do I go about it? Anything you buy from us in a kit, we're going to give you a suggested, recommended starting point. So you don't have to be a clutch expert like us, where we've got, combined 50 plus years of guys tuning clutches, things like that. You don't have to worry about that. We're going to give you recommended setups. But for those of you that want to tinker, want to play, this is where we get into the adjustability part. So these weights have two adjustment points. There's a 1/4 hole all the way through the weight itself that you can adjust with these different set screws. There's steel ones and there's brass ones. The steel ones are kind of for step one, and the brass is just a heavier option for making bigger changes. And then they're also adjustable out on the tip. And then you'll see we have our button head screws and our brass washers. Again, just a ton of tuning options on these weights. Right here I'm adding about 1.5 grams to the tip. So if you're looking to bring that peak RPM down with your application, or you just want it to work the motor a little bit harder up at peak to get a little more belt squeeze up there, doing a lot of long, wide open running, typically where this tip weight's going to come into effect is way out there. I'll throw a set screw in here for you just to give you an example here. Whether it's that we just wanted to add more weight to tune on the RPM, or if you want to move that weight around a little bit, I'll just set this set screw in here no farther than what it needs to be, so it's loaded more, say, at the base, and that's going to be something that's going to hit harder on the bottom and the mid-range. Or again, if you want more load out on the tip, then I'd screw this in all the way. Now it's seated down in there all the way. And just to give you another point of view, so for tip weight, or where my mass is located, I'll put it on this Allen wrench here. Where my mass is located, I'm screwed in all the way here, so I've got my tip weight out here. I got about 1.5 grams added there, and then I'd run this slug all the way in here. So I got all my mass, or the location of the heavy part of the weight is out there. Or you can back it back out here to the tip, or you can load the son of a bitch all the way up. Again, just a ton of adjustability built into these parts, having the dual adjustment points. Again, you can add up to 10 grams from what the base weight is. Those base weights are available from 76 to 82 grams. These weights are 100% made in the USA. We're proud to say that. And hope you guys like them. If you got any questions, give us a call. Love to talk to you about them. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one.